If you want to learn how to join the Namecheap affiliate program, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can apply correctly, understand where to sign up, and know what to do after you get approved. This is a great way to start earning commissions by promoting Namecheap products on your website, blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email campaigns. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and online business tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to namecheap.com/affiliates. Once the page loads, you'll see the affiliate program information and the options available for signing up. On this page, click the Apply Now button. This is the main entry point to start your affiliate application. After that, Namecheap will show you the available affiliate platforms. You'll usually see options like Impact or Commission Junction, also known as CJ. Under the platform you want to use, click Enroll here. This will take you to the affiliate network where your application will be processed. If you already have an account with that platform, you can sign in with your existing login details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Follow the on-screen steps to register your publisher account. Make sure you enter accurate information because this is what the affiliate network and Namecheap will use to review your application. Once your account is created or you're signed in, complete your publisher profile. This usually includes your website or promotional method, your traffic sources, and other basic information about how you plan to promote Namecheap. Take your time here and fill everything out as clearly as possible. A complete profile can help your application look more professional and improve your chances during review. After that, submit your application. At this stage, your request is not approved automatically. Namecheap manually reviews applications, so you'll need to wait for approval. This means they will check your publisher details before giving you access to the affiliate program. If you don't get approved right away, don't worry. Just make sure your profile is accurate, your promotion method is clear, and your content or platform fits the program. Once your application is accepted, you can log into your affiliate dashboard. From there, you'll be able to access your affiliate links, banners, and coupon codes. These are the tools you'll use to promote Namecheap and track your referrals. Be sure to copy your unique affiliate links carefully, because these links are what credit you for sales and signups. Now you can start sharing your links in all the places that make sense for your audience. You can add them to your website, place them inside blog posts, mention them in your YouTube video descriptions, share them on social media, or include them in email campaigns. The key is to promote them in a helpful, natural way so people understand the value of the products you're recommending. And that's it. You now know how to join the Namecheap affiliate program from start to finish. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.